what they do, from food to fashion and other things. As someone who came from Africa, I would say that my fashion sense has changed drastically since I moved to Italy. I'm no longer that regular girl, and today I'm going to be sharing the tips and how Italian style has helped me elevated my fashion sense in a lot of ways. So if you're looking for a way to elevate your style in any way, this video is definitely for you. Hey guys, my name is Chess. In case this is the first time seeing my face, I am a Nigerian who married Italian and currently living in Italy. Moving here in Italy has really helped me elevate my style and dress more responsible. Today I will be sharing some of the tips and how Italian ladies dress that has helped me in so many ways to improve my style, my fashion sense. Italian ladies, first of all, they dress simple, chic, regular, elegance, name it. This is what they are really known for. Italian ladies, most of them, they dress fitted, well structured clothes. They dress according to their body type. I have noticed that they wear more of well structured, not so much tight like what I'm wearing now. For example, this is a structured clothes that is well attached to my body, but same time is not so tight and is not so huggy. I'm not saying that they don't wear tight clothes. They wear bodycon, they wear other things, but it's really rare to see a lot of Italian ladies who do this, like wear so much tight clothes. This is one thing I have noticed about Italian ladies. The second thing I've noticed about Italian ladies is that they don't wear much labels. They don't even wear labels. Let's say, example, coming from Nigeria, I could see a lot of celebrities, a lot of people who could shop from Gucci, from Prada, from Fendi, and they could wear dress from head to toe. Fendi, Fendi, Fendi. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but I'm gonna be inserting some pictures. And mind you, it's not just Nigeria, because I've seen people from America, from other countries do this as well. But while I use Nigeria as an example, is like this is what they do. A lot of celebrities, they wear logo. But meanwhile, in Italy here, where a lot of the brands, well-known brands, you see like Giorgio Armani, Prada, Gucci, all those brands that you see that they are Italian brands. Italian themselves don't wear the label themselves. You can see someone wearing like this top without them telling you that it's Prada, or without them telling you that it's Gucci. You will not know. They like to keep it minimal. I don't know if that makes sense, if you understand what I'm saying. They are wearing designer, they are investing in quality clothes, but they don't wear it on their body. It's hard for you to go on the road and you see someone wearing Fendi, 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 like what they do back home there, or what they do in America. See me, I'm wearing designer. See me, it's all designer, like a flag, just because you want to show people that you're wearing designer. Here they can be wearing something that worth hundreds of thousands of euro without you knowing. When they appear, they look the same until they tell you before you know. So that is one thing again that I have learned, though I was never someone who like logo, who like too much things. But also coming here has helped me improve, and I stopped shopping for those things that have logo on it. You can wear normal clothes. It does not necessarily mean that it has to be like expensive brand. Keep it on a low. So next thing I have noticed from Italian ladies is that they don't wear so much colors. They wear only essential colors. That does not mean that they don't wear color. They wear color, but you can never see them in color blocking. Like they wear yellow, blue, like mixed color. They wear like a coordinated color, And even the ones that wear color, they go like they do more of monochrome. Like if you have to wear red, they go all red or they go this. So, and at the end of the day, you're not seeing it sharp. So they know how to, they wear essential colors, black and other colors. And this, I think, puts outfits together and put it more elevated than so much color. Imagine wearing yellow and blue and other color. No matter how expensive or no matter how you try to put yourself together, it doesn't look so much put together. So this is one thing also that I've learned from Italian ladies, how they dress. They are well color coordinated. They don't go for something sharp. Rather, they go for essential colors to elevate them. And once they appear rich, even if the outfit is not rich. They look so put together. They go with my essential colors. And yeah, before I mention my other point, please, if you're enjoying this vlog, do wait to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you have not hit the subscribe button. Have you done that? Okay, now that you have subscribed, thank you for subscribing and thank you for joining this family. So another thing, this is one important thing. I never saw any Italian lady dress like sweatpants. I know back then in Africa and other countries, people dress on sweatpants and tights and leggings and this. Don't get me wrong, it's not that they don't wear it, but they wear all these things at home, just like me and others out there. Once you visit them, you see that most of the time they sleep with it or they wear it at home to do their chores, but you can never see them wear it outside, just maybe running errands or going for dinner or to do this. They don't wear tights, they don't wear biker shorts, they don't wear sweatpants outside. They believe that all these things is for gym and it should belongs to gym and not using it to dress. I know a lot of ladies who dress on sweatpants and biker shorts, and it does not look elevated, to be honest. And Italians don't do this. So if you want to dress like them, more elegant, more classy, you might want to dish out those clothes and wear them at home and not outside. Okay, so moving on to the next point, which is really important, is that it's rare for you to see Italian lady show cleavage. They don't do that. It's really rare, really difficult. I have not seen, anyway, since my years of staying in Italy, I have not seen anyone except like some tourists who visit and all that, or except you are on the beach, because for sure is beachwear, is swimwear, is bikini that you see that. But other than that, and you're going out, it's rare for you to see an Italian lady showing her cleavage with an outfit. Is really difficult. They don't do this. They wear something that more modest, that cover up that place. Okay, even if they're wearing off shoulder, there must be covered. It's difficult for you to see Italian lady bringing out or sampling those things out, but in Africa it's common, in other places as well is common. So lastly, Italians don't really go for sharp, heavy makeup. I am a victim of this. When I came here newly, because I'm used to making up, sometimes I can put shadow, purple shadow, blue, smoky eyes. It's difficult for you to see any Italian lady with smoky eyes, pink, blue, or whatever, or sharp mouth, sharp lips, and all of that when they are going out during the day. Is difficult. They keep it mild when it comes to their makeup. They keep it makeup to no makeup look, and I have learned that. And since I learned that, it has been helping me. It has been helping me in a lot of ways, because they don't wear makeup so much, and I like this for them. I like this because at the end of the day, when you dress up with, no matter what you're wearing, and your makeup is, and your lashes is you don't look cute. I'm sorry, but that is the truth. So I have learned a lot how to keep my makeup so mild and beautiful same time. Nude. I'm not saying you should put nude. If you're someone that likes sharp makeup, go for it, but know how to balance things up if you want to dress elegant or if you want to be elegant. Also, the over long lashes, you don't see them wearing it like that, except some TikTok teenagers. Yes, you can also find that, but some ladies, if you know what I'm talking about, put together ladies, they don't do that. Okay, so if you know you want to elevate your style, you want to dress more elegant, you want to dress more put together and beautiful, I guess this video is definitely for you. I hope you practice it more often. From the points I gave, you will have an insight of how they dress. So that is it. If you like this video, again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, watch my other video. Have a nice day. Bye.